Hi everyone, my name is Julian De Munoz, and today I'm really excited to share a little more about myself. Who am I right now? The person I hope to become, and the goals I'm working hard to achieve. We we have all dreams and aspiration, but what truly matters is how we shape ourselves in process. So today I'll be taking about my actual self, my ideal self, and out self. I also ha- I also share my main goals and the obstacles I face, my bad habit, and how I plan to overcome them. And finally, what success means to me once I've achieved my dream. My actual self. Right now, I'm a student who's still learning and growing each day. I'm at the point in life where figuring out who I am, what I'm good at, and what areas I still need improve. Like many students, I sometimes struggle with my time management. There are moments when schoolwork, deadline, and personal responsibility pile up, and it gets a little overwhelming. But I always remind myself that growth doesn't happen overnight, it's a process. I'm learning how to balance my responsibility, improve my confidence, and discover my strengths and weakness. Sometimes I doubt myself, but I also know that every challenge I face teach me. Sometimes about perseverance, patience, and resilience. Even when make mistakes, I take I take them as a lesson. I've learned that success isn't about my being perfect. It's about improving little by little every single day. Now, my ideal self is the version of my that's I'm striving to become. My ideal self is someone who disciplined, confident, and successful in both career and personal life. I, I imagine myself as someone who wakes up each day with purpose, who works hard but also knows how to take care of himself and others. I want to be a person who inspires others, not just through words, but through action. Someone who people can look and say, "You made it." It's because he never gave up. To reach that version myself, I know requires consistent courage and lot of hard work. It means pushing through the days when I feel tired or unmotivated. And it's been believing in myself even when things don't go as planned. Next is my old self. This represents the person I believe I should be based on my value and responsibility. I believe I ought to be responsible, respectful, and consistent. In everything I do, I should live with integrity and honestly, even when no one is watching. I know my action don't only represent me, they also reflect my family, my school, and the people who believes in me. That's why I always try to my best because I want to make my family proud. My friends have sacrificed so much to give me a good education, and I feel it's my duty to repay them, not just with words. But true, success is success and good character. And the next one is goal statement. My goal statement is to graduate this fourth year college, build a successful career that will make my family proud. I want these goals because I believe education is my key to better future. It opens doors, build character, and allows me to create the life I dream of. I'm confident that I can achieve this goal goal because I'm willing to give 100% effort. I know it won't be easy, but I'm not afraid of hard work. Every night of studying, every project, every challenge, they they're all step toward my dreams. When I achieve this, I want to share my success with the people who have been with me from the start. My family, they always support me even when things get difficult. I plan to complete this goal by fourth year college, and by then I hope to look back at back and say I did it, not just for me, just for us. The next is the three external obstacles. Of course, achieve goals doesn't come without challenge. There, there are always obstacles that test your determinations. For me, I see three my main challenge. Number one, financial problem. Sometimes money becomes a barrier to opportunities, but I know there are ways to overcome it. By applying for scholarships, doing part-time jobs, or finding creative ways to support my studies. It's about resourcefulness and perseverance. And number two is lack of motivation. There will always be day when I feel tired or uninspired. When what happened, I remind myself why I started. I think about my long-term goals, my family, and the future. I work hard for academic pressure. Number three, academic pressure. School can get really stressful, especially during exam and deadline like this. I plan to manage my stress by maintaining balanced routine, getting enough rest, and seeking help from teachers or friends when needed. No one succeeds alone, and asking for help is not a weakness, it's a strength. And the three bad habits and how I overcome them. And now, I'll be honest, I have some bad habits that I need to improve. Number one, the first, procrastination. Sometimes I tend to delay tasks until the last minute to fix this. I starting using a daily schedule and set small, realistic goals for each day. That way, I can stay organized and productive. Second, overthink. I often worry about what could go wrong instead of focusing on what I can do right. To overcome this, I practice positive self-talk and remind myself that mistakes are part of learning. Yes. And the third, I get easily distracted, yes. Especially with social and online distraction, my solution is to minimize social media using during time. Maybe I turn off notification or studying in a quiet environment. Small change can lead big result as long as stay consistent. And the last is assuming the goal is achieved. Now let's imagine for a moment that I've already achieved my goals. I've graduated with honors and built a successful career. Looking back, I say every challenge, every sleep that tight, every moment that it was all worth it. All the sacrifice and hard work shaped me into the person I am today. I'd be proud, not just because of the success itself, but because of the journey it took to get there. I learned to be myself, to, to stay humble, and to keep moving forward no matter what. Before I end, I want to leave with this message: success doesn't happen overnight, it's built day by day through persistence, discipline, and faith in yourself. Always remember success. Always remember success start with believing in yourself. As one coach beautiful says, dream big, work hard, and stay humble. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to my story. I hope you're inspired to chase your own dreams and never give up, no matter how hard the journey gets. And since this is a presentation, let me end it modern way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.